Good morning. I wanted to show you guys my bread. Remember how I was telling you that it falls in? That's it. It just keeps doing that and I don't know how to make it stop. So now my bread isn't delicious. What the heck? Also, yesterday I put this little cabinet here under this light thing just to get it like out of the way because it was in the dining room and it doesn't really need to be in there. And I put Tim's sunglasses here and he left them, so I guess I didn't tell him where they were, and now he's gonna be mad because he had to get sun in his eyes. Or not mad, I shouldn't say mad, but he's not gonna be happy that he didn't bring his sunglasses. I should have told him where they were. Also, I don't know if I've ever told you guys about this little thing. It's a lamperger, or some people call it a lamperger, I don't know. But you put oil in it and you just light this little thing on fire, and then it burns like this wick in here. And it just smells really wonderful, and it's supposed to kind of purify the air. So I love that thing. I just figured I'd show you guys. This is a little one. They come in like super huge ones too, but I just have a little baby. All right, breakfast time. I got my cheesy eggs with ketchup, although it's just a light cheese on the egg because I'm on a diet, you know, and my toast with just a little bit of butter because, again, I'm on a diet, and my coffee with just a little bit of sugar because, well, because we don't have a lot of sugar left, but that's my breakfast. So I'm letting the dogs outside. I'm inside the pool house because it's so incredibly windy that you wouldn't be able to hear me, but look where Armani peed. That's right, on the concrete, like a little jerk. So although you peed on the concrete, you did poop in the grass. And for that, thank you. Thank you for not pooping on the concrete because I don't want to have to clean that up. You're a halfway good boy, right? You're like 50% good. Yeah, but you're 100% cute. Oh yeah. You don't like that? Okay. You're still cute. As you all know, today for you guys, but tomorrow for me, is Valentine's Day because we upload a day later. So this is what I did for Tim's little Valentine's lunch, is I put his mustard in the shape of some weird hearts because that is just like our relationship. It's weird, but it just kind of works, you know? Yeah. So happy Valentine's Day, Tim. I hope you like your sandwich. Here's our dinner.
Started eating already.
Oh yeah, we started eating.
There's this trend of things where they have these street parties where they shut down a major street in some random city in Florida, and they have like all kinds of street vendors and food and all kinds of stuff. We're gonna go do one of those tonight because it looks like fun.
It's $7.
Look at this. It's a stretch bug. Somebody doing karaoke for chicken fried?
Yeah, a little bit of chicken fried.
We totally were gonna rent a bounce house one day because they're actually kind of cheap. They're only 150 bucks a day. One time me and Jen had this idea to buy a bike bar and just drive around and make so much money here. Looks like somebody beat us to it. For Mardi Gras. I missed it. Oh, I dropped one. How come I got all the beads and you didn't get any?
I don't know, I didn't get any beads.
Oh look, here comes a little float. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, they're throwing out more beads and everything. Woohoo! Yeah. Yeah, hey look, it's Shrek. Yeah, oh no. I can't see any of the beads that are flying up my face. Yeah. Oh look, here's the bar. Oh no, it's a traffic jam.
Oh yeah, they're on it. How do we go?
I don't think we can. I think that's like them showing it off. This is a crazy parade traffic jam.
Okay. Are you sure we can't just step up?
I don't know. Whoa, scarecrow. No, I feel like they're all dressed up. Yeah. Oh, he has a little assist pedal.
Oh!
Yeah. Woohoo! Susicle Jr. I think that was it. It's a hard root beer. I'm gonna try it. Can I try it?
Would you like to try it?
Yeah. Let's see. Hard root beer.
But it's difficult for the folks that don't think they like beer.
Tastes exactly like root beer.
Do you want to
That's
try
awesome.
one?
Or you
Taste it.
try the root
Oh, it
beer.
is. It's pretty good.
Yeah, let me see.
It's really good. It tastes like root
I got my
beer.
brain
That's
away.
what
Yeah.
There's a fancy truck here in the middle of the road. Everybody keeps trying to sell me stuff and I just keep taking the free samples and running away. I like this old Willie's. I got a spoon in my mouth. I'm sorry that it sounds crazy. This is the like arts and crafts section, I guess.
That would look nice on me.
And they sell maybe Lay's and roughly underwear. Wanted to show you, this is what we got for coming. They gave us jambalaya. Jen's gonna eat mine because I'm pretty sure it has pork in it. I'm glad that this karaoke person is much better than the guy that when we first showed up. Looks like the Home Depot's here teaching kids how to hammer. What are they making? They're making a sailboat.
Yes.
All right, these are chocolate covered grapes. I'm gonna try to start with the one that I think is gonna be the least favorite and work my way up. It goes white chocolate, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate. This is gonna be white chocolate. Oh,
Is it good?
that's actually quite delicious.
I can't. Your
they're
nose
green
is so
grapes.
red.
I know, it's so cold.
Yeah.
All right, milk chocolate. That was the white chocolate.
And they're green grapes.
They do, they get better. That one had a little bit of a sour taste to it though. Let's see. Dark chocolate. Yeah.
That was
dark
best?
chocolate's where it's at.
I want to get one.
Yeah.
Video that.
All right, I'm gonna try the dark chocolate. Ready? It
Yeah.
pairs very nicely with beer, by the way.
Oh yeah. Is it good?
Dark chocolate.
Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna try the white chocolate again because that was the first one that I had. I just want to make sure that I had dark chocolate was my favorite. You know, you got to make sure of these things.
I think dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate is good. White chocolate's a little bit fresher. There's a little kid singing "Wanted Dead or Alive." Yeah. Yeah, right? I know I said the last fire was going to be the last fire of the season, but it got cold a little bit tonight, so maybe this will be the last fire of the season. I gotta really keep the front doors closed on this fireplace until it's going because, yeah, I don't want to get any dirt on there. I guess it's not dirt, it would be more soot, right? Jen has left me for another man.
A hairier man.
Whoa, really? I think I might be a little bit hairier.
He has hair. He has hair all over his body. Do you?
Yes.
Oh.
But I had to put the fire out because we totally forgot that we're dog sitting, so I put it out really quick.
And I'm in my pajamas. But we're gonna go and let these dogs out. Who let the dogs out? I did. I did. I
I like my giant pile of tools and electrical stuff.
did. Yeah, safe.
Safety last.
Oh.
What were you gonna say?
Safety first.
Oh no, last. I was pretty angry that I missed it. Like I totally wanted to see it happen, but I was, I guess, not paying attention to my mileage, and it went right past it. 57 miles past it, as a matter of fact. People that we're dog sitting for have a picture of me from my high school prom.
You look so cute.
Yeah, that's me. I wish
Look
I
how
wasn't
tan you were.
standing like that because it makes me look like I'm super big. I wasn't that big. I was just as thin as the rest of them, I tell you. I was the only one that couldn't find a frilly shirt. Everybody else could. I had a bow tie. I wonder when this was. This may have been when we were just trying them on, not for actual prom. I don't know. I had a frilly shirt, didn't I? Super dangerous, kids. We just came home to that. Like, I put water on it and everything, and it's just straight up a fire.
Oh my god.
Pretty crazy, because I poured water on it and everything, but guess that didn't matter, because now there's a fire. Yay. At least the house is nice and warm. You guys want to see a dog that hates kisses?
Bandit, Bean, give me a big kiss. Give me kisses, Bean. Bean, give me a kiss.
I don't even understand. Why are you so angry at kisses?
He hates it.
Do it again?
Bean, give me a big kiss.
What? It was a fun day, but I have to wake up early again tomorrow to go walk the dogs at our the house that we're dog sitting. So I will go to bed now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm delusional, and now it's time to pay the price. Delirious?